That does not sound like a Harley. Sounds like a little Vespa, a little Honda or something. What is up, you heathens? Welcome back to yet another video. Dude, I am so excited to be able to be coming back more frequently now that we have a new bike to deliver you guys some amazing content. As always, super stoked to be doing this. It's something I thoroughly enjoy doing. I hope you guys also get good information, good insight, and good knowledge, and some good takeaways from these videos that I put out for you. So I just ask one thing. If you find any of the videos that I've put up over the last year and a half helpful, if you're not yet subscribed, please just hit that subscribe button. It would mean a great deal to me. I would very, very, very much appreciate it. Your support goes a long way, especially on YouTube's algorithm. It just helps to push the video out when you thumbs up the video and subscribe. So without further ado, you guys know a little story of what's been going on in my life the last couple months. Just a little recap. My bike, Lilith, was stolen in August 30th to be exact. Found 5 or 6 days later, completely stripped down to the frame. So we got a new bike, and this is the reveal video. So I'm excited to introduce you guys to Alba Umbra, which translates to white ghost in Latin. It's kind of a neat name, probably just nickname or ghost. I think it's a fitting name for this bike, and it's gonna be quick and hard to see, just like a ghost when she's all done. So let me introduce you guys to Ghosty. All right, here she is in all her glory. The white banshee, the white ghost. 2023 Road Glide ST with the 117 motor. Completely bone stock so far, other than the Kraus T-bars that came installed on it. And like I said, we got the bronze wheels, bronze accents, 117 motor. This thing is absolutely gonna fly by the time I'm done with it. One of the first things I'm gonna be doing, and I'm actually gonna do it on this video, guys, is I can't stand the sound of this thing. It sounds like a goddamn sewing machine. So one of the first things we're gonna be doing, this bike came to me with 19 miles on it. So I need to break in the engine properly. It's just something I got to do for my OCD. So I'm going to break it in properly for the first 1,000 miles before I start tearing into the engine, tearing into the cam chest, doing any performance modifications. But that doesn't stop us from doing stuff like removing these ridiculously bulky and ugly reflectors up here on the bags. And then of course the ones on the forks. But luckily I have a set of some CFR slip-ons that we can put on to replace the super quiet sewing machine sounding exhaust that comes stock on these things. I'm going to replace it with the CFR slip-ons, just a little bit better sound overall. So we'll do that on this video. First thing I got to do is remove the bags, obviously get the old exhausts off, just the pipe, just the mufflers. We're not, like I said, we're not doing a full open breathing from the heads back exhaust, just the slip-ons. That way we don't have to worry about the tune or messing up our AFR or anything like that. That's all going to happen after I've broke in the engine after 1,000 miles. But like I said, I want to at least get some better sound because this just, as you guys know that have owned stock Harleys, the pipes do not sound good. Stock pipes do not sound good. I mean, look at those wimpy little things. Those things are so wimpy. Just terrible. I mean, it sounds literally like a sewing machine. It's just like, no, it's no Harley sound if you ask me. So that's what we're doing, guys. Let's get to it. Get the bags off, get the mufflers off, get the new mufflers on, and we'll hear a before and after. Let me start it up for you so you can hear what it sounds like before. All right, so here's our before the slip-ons. That does not sound like a Harley. It sounds like a little Vespa, a little Honda or something. Not a Harley sound. There's your before. So here's the after. You can see we got the slip-ons on. They are significantly less restricted. They are wider. Definitely got more deep growl to it, a little deep rumble. It's not as sewing machiney. Actually has some depth of sound to it. Not bad for slip-ons, honestly. Like I said, they'll work for now until we can get the cam done, get a new breather on, do the pipe, and then do a tune. But until then, everything's remaining stock until I can get the engine broke in and then tear into that cam chest. All right, guys, so that's video officially #1 in the books. Thank you for tuning in, hanging out with me, watching the video. Again, hit that subscribe button if you've yet to subscribe. You're gonna wanna check out all the cool shit we do with this Road Glide ST. Yeah, so as you just saw, we put the slip-ons on. They don't sound terrible. They sound a hell of a lot better than stock. But yeah, they're slip-ons, so all they offer is just a little bit of sound difference, and that's it. You're not getting performance or anything like that. That's all I care about. I just had to get rid of that stock sound. It was no, I just can't. No, I can't do it. It's just it just doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. If it works for other people, great, but it's just not my cup of tea. So yep, video #1. With the Ghost in the books. It's a wrap. Shout out from Utah. Much love as always. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other, especially in this crazy world right now. We need each other. That's all we got left, guys. We just got each other. Everything else is just noise. It's us against them. So you got to have each other's backs. All right, tune in out. Adios, amigos. Peace.